Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Standard 9th Civics Unit 5 Local Self-Government. Today discuss the topic Village Panchayat. Local governments which are function in villages are called village panchayats. The president and ward members are directly elected by the people. Those who have attained the age above 18 to contest in the election, one must have attained the age of 21 years. And the term of office is 5 years. District collector acts as the inspector of village panchayat. Village panchayats are constituted in each and every village wherever the population is above 500. Functions of the village panchayat: supply of drinking water, maintenance of street lights, maintenance of roads, maintenance of village libraries, maintenance of small bridges, granting permission to the house plots, maintenance of drainage, construction of group houses, cleaning of streets, maintenance of burial grounds, maintenance of common lavatory facilities. Voluntary functions. According to the Tamil Nadu Local Government Act passed in 1994, the following functions to be performed as voluntary function by the local governments: maintenance of street lights in the villages, maintenance of markets and fairs, implantation of trees, maintenance of playgrounds, maintenance of parking vehicles, slaughterhouses and cattle sheds, control over places of exhibition. Next, discuss the topic revenue. Village panchayat was the only local government which was empowered to levy taxes in the three-tier system of village panchayat. Taxes: property tax, professional tax, house tax, taxes for connection of drinking water, land tax, taxes levied on shops. Next, discuss the topic historical origin and development of local self-government in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has a long history of local self-governance, as is evident from the Uttirameru stone inscriptions of Parandaga Chola I in Kanjipuram district. Village republics reached its peak during the region of Cholas. These village councils had effective links with the Chola rulers. Kudavolai Murai was the name of the secret ballot method exercised to elect members to the village councils. With the downfall of Cholas, the state experienced the decline of village autonomy and rise of the centralized feudal administrative system. This continued till British rules introduced local self-governance primarily as an administrative convenience for the colonial British government. In the post-independence era, the first enactment in democratic decentralization in the state was Madras Village Panchayat Act 1950. The pursuant to the White Paper on the Reform of Local Administration in 1957, the Madras Panchayat Act 1958 and the Madras District Development Council Act were enacted with the following salient features. Next, discuss the topic meeting of Grama Sabha. In each and every village, the people living within its jurisdiction will be the member of Panchayat. The president of the Panchayat will preside over its meeting. In the meeting of Grama Sabha, in the income and the expenditure and the beneficiary of the schemes in the village are discussed. Meeting of the Grama Sabha are conducted 4 times a year. January 26th Republic Day, May 1 Labour Day, August 15 Independence Day, October 2 Gandhi Jayanti. Next, discuss the topic Panchayat Union. Panchayat Union is formed by grouping of villages. Members of Panchayat Union are directly elected by the people. The chairman of Panchayat Union is chosen from among the members. District Panchayat, Panchayat Union, Village Panchayat. Functions of the Panchayat Union: supply of drinking water, maintenance of village health centers, maintenance of roads, establishment of sanitary homes, establishment of public affairs, establishment of veterinary hospitals, maintenance of social forest, repairing of primary school buildings. The district collector, planning officer, the concerned block development officer are empowered to supervise the developmental functions of the Panchayat Union. Next, discuss the topic District Panchayat. A district Panchayat is constituted in each district. One district Panchayat is constituted for every 50,000 people and the ward members are directly elected by the people. The chairman is elected from one among its members and the other term is 5 years. Functions of District Panchayat: advising the government about the developmental schemes of the village, Panchayat and Panchayat Union. Supervising the functions of District Planning Commission. Urban local government, Town Panchayat, Municipality, and another one it is Corporation. Gandhi concept of Grama Swaraj. Gandhi really wanted the Swaraj, the self-rule by people of India who represent the rural mass. He observed India's soul lives in the village. He dreamed of village republics in terms of Panchayat in free India. Mahatma Gandhi advocated Panchayat Raj. He a decentralized form of government where each village is responsible for its own affairs as the foundation of India's political system. In simpler words, Gandhiji ideal village should be basically self-reliant, making provision for all necessities of life, food, clothing, clean water, sanitation, housing, education and other requirements including government and self-defense. Thank you.